Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be showing you how to make YouTube thumbnail like this. It's going to be an interesting section. Please subscribe on my channel for more interesting video.
Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make YouTube thumbnails on your YouTube. So let's get started. So first of all, you will go to your web browser, then you search for Poster My Wall. So this is actually postermywall.com. So when you search on Poster My Wall, then go to the search engine. You have to register as a new user. So you come here, you register as a new user. So in my next video, or you will see how I register my Poster My Wall. So let us just go straight to the business of today. So you will search to the search button here, how to make YouTube thumbnails. So you click on create. So it's gonna bring different kind of thumbnails. So it's actually bringing different kind of thing. Why is because I type in a syntax error, which my grammatical error here, so it is actually not good. So let us correct it. Okay, this is it. These are different thumbnails. These are different YouTube thumbnails. So you can actually use different kind of thumbnails. Any template you want, you can actually use different kind you want to create to make your YouTube visible for viewers to see. And also, so this is it. So you can choose anyone you feel like. You can choose anyone you like and anyone you feel you want to use. So let us use this. So we're going to be working with this. So actually, like I said, this is Poster My Wall. So check it on your web browser and search on Poster My Wall. It gives you professional YouTube, graphic design you want. All their templates are top notch and professional. So this is it. So let's get started. So first of all, the first thing we need to do is to change the picture here. So I have a picture. So I'm gonna upload it here. So let's use this. So using this. So looking at this is actually is facing this in this angle. So I want it to face in this angle. So what am I going to do? We're going to change the direction of our picture. So it's going to be looking the other way around. So good. So clicking on flip horizontal. This is flip horizontal. So you click on flip horizontal, it moves to this way. So now this image here, we're going to press a delete. Click on delete here, it has gone. Then you size your image to the background of your flyer. Then that's it. So we're actually seeing a watermark down here written made with Poster My Wall. So how can we clean that? So we'll go to draw, click on draw, then click on erase. So you can actually clean this. So after that, click on finish drawing. So that is it. So drag our image down so our image can fit the flyer or the design. So that is it. So the next thing we're going to do is to put a stroke on our image, or a glowing stuff. So put a strong glow. Is it a red glow or a white glow you want to use? But in this case, we're gonna be using an orange glow okay, let us try this orange. So let's make it more dark. So okay, this is actually perfect for me. So we're going to be using this. So you can actually use any kind of glow you want to use, but this is actually good. So you can actually use any glow you want to use for your design. So now the text here is, so you can actually leave this text if you want, or you can actually change it, or anyone you feel like. So but I'm going to be changing this says your text here, YouTube channel and whatever. So I'm going to be writing create. So you click on this, so put it on cap lock. So this is it. So we're going to be leaving this in this way. So actually this is not actually looking nice. So what are we going to do? We are going to rotate this facing this angle. So bring this way. So as you can see it. So I think we're still going to rotate this again. So as you can see it again, so we have to reduce the size. Wow, so this is it. So here is our logo. Bring our logo this way. You can actually leave it this way though, so you bring it this way. So this is how to make a YouTube thumbnails. So the next thing we're going to do is after creating your design, after doing this, the next thing is to download your image or your design. So you click on download here. So it's going to download it. So this is I'm actually using a free poster on my wall. So you click on this, you click on free, but if you want to pay for it, it's actually $2. So that is it. So you download it. So it's preparing to download. So creating your design. So now our image is already downloaded. So now this is how to create a YouTube thumbnails. So with this illustration, you should be able to create your own YouTube thumbnails. So thanks for watching my video, and I would love if you subscribe on my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe on my channel. I will be so grateful if you do subscribe on my channel. Thanks and God bless you. See you in my next video.